Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm here at the WIT College, Technical College, for a SEMA build that the students actually did. And I have here Angel and Skylar. They're gonna kind of run down, some of the things that they did to, from start to finish. And they're gonna talk about some of the audio. So first and foremost, hey, what's going on, guys? Build looks great.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Tell me a little bit about what you did with this car.
I mean, it's a full, frame restoration. We have some of the pictures of what it started as. But everything that's on this truck is brand new. I mean, there's nothing in there.
Yeah, so I noticed that at first the frame was like, the car was terrible. So when you saw it come in, what were your first thoughts? What did you think?
We are a long ways away. We didn't think we were making it.
Did you feel like despair, like there's no way? Because you were already on track to like, this car was gonna be a SEMA build.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
And like, these are the deadlines, no matter what.
Yep.
Okay, so with it being said, what was one of the, because I know you guys kind of concentrate on the audio, we'll get to the audio. I think you guys did more of the body or?
Yep. We all worked together on the whole thing. Yep.
Okay, so what do you feel as a team, because it was all the students, how do you feel, what was the worst thing about the car?
I think the worst thing was probably, before it was painted and everything, we had to like lay everything out and kind of find how things are gonna evade.
Mopped it all up and like put it together once. And then when we had to take it all apart, repaint it all, and nothing ever goes back the same. So it was a good work in progress. The only thing that's original on it in factory is the firewall. Other than that, everything is all custom. Nothing's original on it.
How would you say, how many people have touched this car? How many students?
So it's 20 in ours, 20 in the other. I'd say like 60, 70 students. Just between auto body and the mechanic class and painting and all that.
Okay, and how long did the project take?
So to be honest, we actually got it done within 2 weeks. We've had the car for a while. We kind of mocked it up. We had everything ready, and then we like to pinch time. So yeah, we got it all done within 2.5 weeks.
So from what I'm told, you two were kind of like the audio guys.
Yeah.
So prior to this build, how much audio experience have you had?
I mean, I've done like a sound system in my personal car. My dad did a lot of sound systems in his like cars, so I have a little bit of experience with it.
Okay. Couple years here and there.
Yeah.
Personal.
Yeah.
Same here. Yep. I've always had buddies that are like, dude, how can I get a sub in there? It's not too hard, start from ground up.
Yep.
Get some wires in. It's pretty simple in the long run.
So whose idea was it to kind of like bow them out, flesh them out, like
Me and Angel.
both of y'all together? Was it solely your decision? Were you guys looking at the book?
So a lot of us will all go to all of our classmates. We'll be like, hey, we'll give them two options. Like, what do you guys think? Either amps, we were gonna put them right here on the back. We were either debating right there, show them, or hide them and make it look flush. So we went to all the students and everyone wanted the hidden. So that's what we went with.
I can't be mad at that. The group wins. Team effort.
We did the same thing. Like, we had some side lights here. We went with either a polished chrome or a scratched like aluminum look. And that's what we did for these. And the door handles, we all went to the class, seen what everyone wanted. So it's all a group effort. We work together.
Okay. I already know it sounds great. You guys are MTX. That's what we're known for. Right? That's what we're known for. And
And we were kind of happy to do it because, like, our parents had like MTX back in the day, Us generation, you don't see these too often,
Yeah.
And then so once we came here, we got sponsored, we're like, dude, like brings back like old memories. Yeah, our parents ran these back in the day, and now it's us running them.
And that's why we wanted to show, through generations, us as a manufacturer.
Yep.
Even though, like your parents, used our product.
Yep.
Our passion never stops. And we want to show you guys, the passion in the products. Looks good, sounds good, and we hope that, your kids, they're going to be putting them to that stand because it looks good and it sounds good.
Oh yeah.
So for those of you who don't know, Western Iowa Tech, they reached out to us in like 3 minutes left in the fourth quarter, saying to be like
pension time.
Yeah, they wanted to collaborate with some audio stuff on the build, and you can't say no to these guys. So we went ahead, we shot them some stuff, and they had it all done, man. So
Thank you guys for that.
congratulations on the build. It looks great. I'll probably be back tomorrow, kind of checking it out again.
Hell yeah, thank you.
Hey, thanks a lot.
Thank you guys.
Excellent, everybody.
Thank you.